Oh, hey there guys, it's Timmy, and today I'm going to take you to the first live music I've seen in about a year and a half, and we're going to go down to the town of Hope and show you one of my best friend's bands, and it's going to be a hoot. The show's sold out, it's going to be a good time, so let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby. Alright, so we are on our way to Hope, Alaska, which is about an hour away from Girdwood, my hometown. And we're going to the Creek Bend, and it is opening weekend in Hope. This is always a big deal. And it's opening weekend for the Creek Bend, not the Seaview. But the Creek Bend is probably the biggest music venue in town, so let's go check it out. It's going to be a good time. We're here. What's up, buddies? What's up, buddies? Did you guys get this stuff figured out yet, or what's up? What's the situation, man? Why do you get a tape measure out?
We're just improvising.
Guess I'm gonna be a sucker. Maybe you can drive my car. Maybe I love you.
What's up, bartender?
What's up?
What's going on?
Freaking doesn't load up, so I'm like, I'm trying to get a video for them, and it doesn't.
It's
load.
like the 50-50.
It doesn't load.
Got it. Let's hear just them this time. Get it ready. Everybody in the back over here. Woo. We see you. You in that red wig. Sing it, buddy. Whoa. Open me. Whoa. That's good. Whoa. There we go. Yeah. All right, you guys. We're the Jangle Bees. Give it up for Amy over here laying down the bass guitar. Give it up for Mr. Forrest Wilson playing on the regular guitar. Mr. Chad Ryan back on the drums with the Jangle Bees. My heart was breaking, hands were shaking, bugs were crawling over me. Son of a bitch, give me a drink. One more night, scare me.
idea was the band?
The band was my idea.
There you go. That's how we get started. All right. How do you find your bandmates?
We went through a few different ones, but
We had like actual like trials.
yeah, well, not really.
It was a
auditions.
fight to the death for a bass.
Yeah, we had a few different people playing bass, but then we realized that we wanted someone who didn't know how to play bass to play the bass, because bass players,
They start getting leady on you.
yeah, they just do too many things. So
Yep.
we thought if we could hire someone who didn't know how to play the
Doesn't
bass.
do anything.
Yeah. So Emmy was the right fit for that. Now there's a dog eating trash. Get out of here, you rogue dog.
Who doesn't love Coors?
Hey, go on.
Is this the dog that was getting yelled at over there?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Grubby little
Do I have anything
sucker.
in my teeth?
Hey,
Just
out of the
gums.
trash. Out of the trash.
And then Forrest is the best guitar player around, so we figured we'd hire him. The other thing was that we kind of wanted to have a band that wasn't just all the same 4 local musicians just reformed and with a new name. So we wanted an unknown.
Super unknown.
But yeah, that's how it started. Then we got Chad in the band last year. He writes a good number of the songs now.
Nice.
He wrote like 3 songs on the new album.
Are you guys like half and half? Like half covers, half your own stuff?
For live, we're working towards more originals than covers
Yeah.
now. But it
Nice.
used to be about 50-50, but we usually play something that people have heard of.
It's kind of cool. Over the last couple of years, there's more and more people singing our original songs.
Oh,
than
yeah?
us.
Yeah, that's actually turned into a thing.
Yeah, it's
And
weird
then
when
we're-
that starts happening.
Yeah.
There we
Like,
go.
you listen to
There,
us?
that's your friend, right? I don't know that person.
Yeah.
Oh,
We all
cool, a
assume that
stranger.
someone knows.
Stalker, cool. You know, like as a songwriter, that's like almost, I mean, not necessarily your goal, but like when people start singing the words to the song you wrote, like that's pretty, that's a good
Definitely
sign.
feels good.
I'd say
yeah.
that's
Yeah.
the pinnacle.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like-
that's the pinnacle.
Yeah. It's like, oh, people
Even if it's
must
just
actually
2
like it.
people.
Lyrics.
There's a guy last night who was, I noticed, singing along to every single original song we had, just quietly mouthing every word. And after the show, I went up to him, I was like, hey man,
You're in the band.
I was like, how do you know the songs? He's like, every time you get a Spotify stream, that's me.
Both our Spotify streams.
All 3 of them, he's like, those are me.
Hey, what's your next big show coming up? Well, like, what's your biggest show this summer? If people agree.
Probably hope.
Oh, yeah.
It happened.
Next big show, I think, is going to be, I want to say it's June 12th at the Palmer Ale House.
Kind of a weird,
What do we
weird
have?
year to book gigs because we weren't sure
Yeah.
what was
You just
going
booked
on.
all these private ones.
That's kind of it, really. Wow.
Nothing to plug.
Yeah, so yeah,
Okay.
we're playing the Palmer Ale House on June 12th, and then again on July 31st. We are planning a big CD release party, and that'll probably be in August.
Fall or something.
Yeah, just once more people are comfortable being inside.
Book out 49 State or something.
Yeah, I think we'll probably do 49th
That's a
State.
fun venue.
Yep, do a
That's
big blowout thing. I
Let's-
don't know,
let's-
their clientele.
Can you only put the part where we talk?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally, yeah.
Tim,
Gotta help.
if you could edit
It's a
out like
good line.
99% of all of this. Is there anything cool that
You know
we should
what
talk about?
sucked? Well, I was
Your
trying to
mall.
make it sound cool, and then it was like,
Maybe we should talk about the show.
It turned out pretty well, but what did you guys expect this weekend? We're, what, a year and a half?
Right.
It's the first show in like forever.
I know,
It really
yeah.
was the first big show in the state since COVID.
I didn't know what to expect because when we booked it a few months ago, we were like, man, May is going to be pretty early for people to want to be socializing
Yeah,
and
boot,
stuff.
all the festivals were canceled, you know?
Yep.
So it's,
Yeah.
yeah, you guys sound like you practiced, so that was good.
Yeah, I mean, we have very
Hey, Jake.
short songs. We're not a jam band, so we can't just do like 6 songs and extend them for 15 minutes. Like we have to like
Yeah, you have to have your
build
list.
lot of
38
lyrics.
songs. Yeah, everything has to be planned out. It takes a lot of work. So,
Yep.
but yeah, I was really impressed with the amount of people that came out,
It
and I
seemed
was
really mellow. And the CDC just like 2 days before the show just lifted all the guidelines. Like
Yeah.
if you're vaccinated, you don't
Yeah.
have a mask anymore. So
Yeah,
it's-
it could have gone pretty bad, like with the rain, and then depending on the CDC
Oh, totally, yeah.
guidelines and stuff. So it kind of worked out.
yeah,
Dump-
the
dump for a
weather
second.
the weather forecast was like
Yeah, it was
pure
looking
rain,
grim.
and
was like,
it
No
didn't
one will
rain.
have any fun.
Yeah, but no, it turned out good. I mean, it rained for like 30 seconds,
Yeah,
just
you just had
torrential
to wipe out.
downpour, and then that
Guys,
was
can
it.
you have our chairs, please?
Hey, sure, you can have your chairs.
Gotta get out of here.
Are you guys recorded right now, though?
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
just
but
back
you
down
know,
anyway.
doesn't matter.
Jangle Bees, baby.
Did he? Okay. No, he didn't take
Yep,
a second time.
there goes
Okay,
their
well,
cheers.
This is the treatment we get around here.
Yep. Roll to its
Rockstar
finest.
life. The toddler takes away your seats mid-interview.
Well, he just texted her.
All right, well, there you have it, guys. Come see the Jangle Bees this summer.
I don't know anything
We'll
about
be
where
around.
it got
That's
put.
right. Well, that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And we'll do it again sometime soon. Peace, y'all.